Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I simplify life and business and help you become a better version of yourself. You know, in life, you get what you tolerate. That's right, you get what you tolerate, you get what you're willing to put up with, you get what, the extent that you're willing to go to. That's it. If you're trying to do something in your life, and if you're like me in your business, and you're trying to do something, and you say, oh, okay, that's enough, or that's good enough, or I put everything I think I can in, you're tolerating it. But also, here's what we're tolerating. We say, and there's stories that have been passed around, that 1% of the world's population are getting what they want. And here's what we tolerate about that. We tolerate that, they get what they want. We feed them in their own restaurants. We watch their stuff. We watch their movies. We support them. We buy their jerseys. We support them, and we tolerate ourselves at the same time. Why? Because they're not tolerating. They're getting the things they want. They have visions for their future, and they put the effort in. They put the time and effort and energy in, and they don't stop at what they tolerate. That's the key here. So if you have a business like I do, your life, your family, your fun, your freedom, everything is going to be built based on your business. It's going to be based on that. And if you're not getting into business right now, it's prime time, because as you can see, the world is crumbling. I mean, retail business is going down. A lot of businesses are going down. I don't know what's going to happen to office buildings, but if you're in an office building, don't expect to be going back to an office, likely. So what's going to happen with that? And is AI going to take over? Is your job going to be replicated? So, think about it for a moment and then realize, hey, what am I tolerating? What can I do better here? What can I do to move forward? Do I have to sit back, watch TV, watch others live the life of their dreams while I tolerate my incapacities, my limitations? Ask yourself these questions, because if you do, then you will see that you're tolerating things, you're putting up with things rather than moving forward. And there's so many opportunities. There's so much opportunity. Right now is prime opportunity. When things are in chaos and things are resetting, there is so much opportunity. And so what you can do is to start thinking into the future. I mean, if you had $10 million and you couldn't fail, what would you do? Start thinking like that. Think big. Think really big. What would I do? What would I accomplish? What would I have? What would my life look like? Get into that future thinking. What would it feel like if I lived in the environment that I like, did the things I like to do, enjoyed the people I want to be around, play the things I want to play? Think about that. Because when you get into the future, that's possibility. That's further than what you're tolerating. Make sense? So you have so much potential, but you're living at a level of what you're just capable of. That's all. But you have so much more capability. So my strongest point here is that stop tolerating, stop watching others, especially the ones that are in this 1% that are succeeding and living a life of their dreams and going forward, and you're watching them. And by watching them, you're supporting them, but you're also tolerating your limitations. And you need to stop doing that. Just stop doing it. Stop watching, stop checking in. And don't watch their posts and like them and so on. I mean, learn and then implement. But please, don't tolerate anymore. Move forward. Look at your life. Go broad. $10 million, no limitations. What would you do? What would your life look like? What would your living environment look like? Start thinking like that. If you want to live a life of your dreams, then you need to do those things. You need to think really big and then go for it. And don't stop until you start seeing evidence of those things. So if you like this video, great, leave me a comment. If you didn't, leave me a comment as well. I'm okay with that. If you're not watching on my YouTube channel, head over there, subscribe and like. Why? Because I'll give you more videos like this that will help you become your highest and best self. And as you'll see below here, I'm giving you an awesome tool to start chunking down your biggest goals and dreams and move them into a higher state of potential. This is a 12-week planner. It's probably worth $3,000 or more, easily. But you get it for free. You can download it. And if you're in business, let's engage and I can help you become your highest and best self and move forward with your life and business. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video.